Oh, didn't see you there. Well, while I have you, let's talk about digital out-of-home advertising. So what is digital out-of-home? It's exactly what it sounds like. I think that marketing is taking a full return back to its grassroots. And what this means is digital out-of-home is functionally a billboard, except it's digital. Through Amazon DSP, they've rolled it out specifically within Whole Foods because they own Whole Foods. You can now actually advertise within screens in Whole Foods, basically like a billboard. So if you're a product or you're a brand and you sell in Whole Foods, even if you don't sell on Amazon, this is something you can tap into. Essentially the way that this works, if you've ever been in a Whole Foods, which I have, there are a lot of screens all over the place. You can now place ads for your products within Whole Foods if you're selling products in Whole Foods. The benefit is that your product is somewhere in Whole Foods. Not a lot of people are tapping into this. Digital out-of-home is a huge opportunity for anybody that's selling in Whole Foods. The attribution is a little tricky, I will admit, but from what I've heard, it works pretty well. We can do geographic targeting, whatever you want. I think it's a good idea if you sell in Whole Foods. That's it, I'm busy, so I'm gonna get back to this, but if you sell in Whole Foods, try it.